Hi, welcome to my channel. Subscribe. Turn your notification on.
A lot of people ask me if superior singing method can actually help them become a better singer, and really what they're asking me is if it's possible for them to become a better singer even though they weren't born with a ton of natural talent. And the answer is absolutely yes. I mean, you can improve your singing voice because learning to sing is really no different than learning any other physical activity. You learn how to do it and then you simply train yourself with repetition of the right principles and techniques. In fact, I wasn't born with a great singing voice. I mean, I had some pretty embarrassing moments early on, but I discovered how to sing properly, which made a huge difference in my own voice. And when I shared these methods with other people, I found that the methods and training I was using were also having radical changes in other people's voices. I knew I was onto something with these unique methods and even sometimes odd vocal exercises that were transforming people's voices. So I actually spent about 2 years studying and tweaking and systematizing this method of vocal improvement so that it would be simple enough for a total beginner while at the same time being cutting edge enough to help any singer to improve as fast as possible. I know when I wanted to improve my singing voice, I was looking for a way to get better immediately, not like months or years down the line, and I kept that in mind as I was developing the Superior Singing Method program. I created it to be a step-by-step program that can be completed in just 60 days while also having an effect where if you just continue to do the program, even after that 60 days, apply the techniques, do the exercises, your voice will continue to get better and better. While most people only follow what I call a one-pronged approach to vocal training that only includes the most basic exercises and techniques, Superior Singing Method follows an 8-pronged approach that covers every aspect of the singing voice. So as you progress through the program, you will quickly begin to improve your vocal tone, your pitch, vocal agility. You'll increase your range, your ability to sing high notes, you'll erase your cracks and breaks and the flips, You'll also develop your mixed voice, which is huge for being able to sing higher notes with less strain. When you listen to the radio, most artists are primarily singing in their mixed voice. Another thing that people love about Superior Singing Method is the fact that it is a completely video-based course. I walk you through every single lesson in HD video so you can watch, listen, and follow along to every tip and every vocal exercise. And along with these videos, you also get downloadable exercises that I created which are designed to help challenge your voice and to help you see improvements as quickly as possible. So again, to answer the question, can I learn to sing? The answer is yes, you can, and Superior Singing Method was designed for the very purpose of helping anyone become a better singer quickly. Through my program, I've taught thousands and thousands of people in over 100 countries all over the world who speak many different languages how to improve their singing voices, and I've seen some truly amazing results. In fact, I get emails every day from people who are amazed at the improvements they're seeing and hearing in their voice. So no matter what your goals are or what your dreams are, I'm confident that Superior Singing Method can get you on your way to reaching those dreams and reaching them in the shortest amount of time possible. Is it possible to improve your singing voice in just a matter of days, even if you weren't born a naturally gifted singer? Would you like to drastically improve your own singing ability while increasing your vocal range, improve your pitch, tone, resonance, vocal agility, power, and begin to sing with ease and confidence? Hi, I'm Aaron Anastasi, professional vocal coach here in Hollywood, California, and the creator of the breakthrough Superior Singing Method program. I've helped millions of people all over the world and have thousands of students who have used my methods to see real improvements in their own singing voice. And I can tell you with 100% confidence that you can become a better singer, and probably a lot faster than you imagine. And today I want to prove it to you. Your journey to become a better singer starts right now, and so to help you get started in the right direction, I want to give you a singing lesson video for free. In this video, you'll get some of my best tips for quickly improving your singing voice and getting on the right track for real vocal improvement. Plus, when you get started today, you'll also get my favorite vocal exercise audio that will help you improve your pitch, power, vocal control, tone, and begin increasing your range, and it's yours absolutely free. All you have to do is enter your email into the box on the right and I'll rush you this free singing video lesson and vocal exercise audio straight to your inbox within minutes. I get a lot of questions from people who believe that great singers were born that way, but I want you to understand that that's just not the case, because if you can speak, you can sing. It's that simple. And when you learn how to sing with the right guidance, learn the proper fundamentals, and then develop your voice using effective vocal exercises, you will gain amazing control over your singing voice. Now, this free video and vocal exercise audio won't be available for long, so don't wait. Go ahead and fill out the form to the right, and you'll get everything sent straight to your email inbox. In just a few minutes, you'll have access to my 3 most important keys to improving your singing voice, along with my #1 vocal exercise audio that you can use every day to improve your singing ability. So go ahead and enter your email into the box right now, and I'll see you on the other side of this page.
Thanks everyone for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.